Time at the college. I remember those times as if it were yesterday. It was a fine time and full of emotion. It was in the 2007 when I was 17 years old at the time. It was a year full of adrenaline. I remember we were a very messy but academically good group. In all class we were witty guys, but in the physical class we called our teacher at that time was very strict and demanding. Everyone in the cell, we were afraid, let's say he was something like an ogre. But despite everything, he was a good teacher. I remember that when we had class with he and we had he coming, we had run to the classroom so that when he arrived, he would find us in our positions. He said that when he arrived at the classroom, he would close the door. It were the 2 hours of class. The door it were the 2 hours to class in complete silence when arrived the final exam date or workshops to deliver arrived the next day. So all of we met to develop then in the afternoon. Many times we stayed until midnight developing those workshops. Awful the areas. This afternoon we had a great time. We laughed at each parade we had. The best was when the final exams came and we all helped each other. Were very fun times. I remember that in the 4th period we had to do a project. I remember that in the 4th period we had to do a project I rocker with short rhymes to an estimated height and expose that project in the other school. The nerds absorbing us, but in the end everything went well. Like forget those moments of class. At the end of the soul died by the end of November. We a great time. We did horse races, bicycle and concert games in which we won. The woman that work was unforgettable for us, and the best was for the graduation, where we're all very excited. We reached one of the many goals that we had set for our future. Everything was ready for the expected date at the graduation ceremony to split. We cried with emotions and at the same time sadness. It was the last year that we would be together. Those moments that we had left in that grade 11 only would remain in beautiful memories. Despite all the friendship still endures, and every December I made a small integration in which we remember everything that happened to us while we were in high school, and when we say the pictures that is too loud at how thin we were at the time. Many of us are not physically alive. What we are now definitely remember is to alive.